A neural network is a type of machine learning algorithm that is inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. It is a collection of interconnected processing nodes, called neurons, that work together to process and analyze complex data inputs. Each neuron in a neural network receives inputs, performs a mathematical computation on those inputs, and then passes the result on to the next neuron in the network. The network is trained on a set of input-output pairs, called training data, and adjusts the connections between neurons to optimize the network's ability to accurately predict outputs for new inputs. Neural networks are commonly used in a wide range of applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous driving. They have been shown to be highly effective in solving complex problems that are difficult to solve with traditional programming methods. For more knowledge, like, share, and subscribe. As Machine Learning Hub.